Westermans here with a AMI207A with a 9-3500 weld head with a set of 2-inch collets in there and wall thickness with a bit of tube 1.5. Machine's just arrived. It's a year May 2006. It actually came in with a tube to sheet head as well, which unfortunately is no good. It has got the adapter cable with it and will be supplied with one set of collets. Machine function, the program in there now. We'll just do a quick weld test. More details can be found on this on westermans.com or email welding@westermans.com for prices. Like I say, the machine can be sold fully serviced with warranty or sold literally as is, as you see it on the film clip. When it's gone, it's gone. No other machines available unless fully serviced. This is just a special offer doing today. Ideally you could do with a new lens on there, make life a lot easier. Head cables, when serviced obviously all things like this would be done, but as you can see the cable protecting the sleeve is slipping through. Head could do with a good clean, but all functioning as should do. Of course, we have many other orbitals in stock. We have the 227, 307 and other newer models. The 207 and the 227 being one of the most popular machines that was actually ever made. Heads, now we have the option of the 8 series, which is a narrow head, but again the 9 series is still the most favourable head. AMI now owned by ESAB, so you have the backup from ESAB on these machines. Just while this is actually doing its weld, we have another head here, but this is off a 227 we've just been running, which is the 79 series with oscillation and AVC. Weld's complete, return to home. Weld is now finished. Trying to do this one-handed is sometimes a little bit awkward. I'll do it that way and see the weld inside. Like I say, more details can be found on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.